Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of you can't add your friends on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of you can't add your friends on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of Snapchat and you click. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then we can click clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. And you can wait 3 seconds to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for watching.